And so today is shoot day, photo shoot day for my brand, Healthy MF and Hair. Yeah, so normally in the past I have done all of the photography, all of the videography for my business, but now that I'm stepping into this new season, this different season, I'm like, I want to delegate everything. I'm letting someone else handle it, because that leaves more room for me to be more creative. Even though my creativity is in video and it is in photo shoots and stuff like that, I don't want to do it no more. And I feel that if you believe in your brand and if you believe in what you're doing and what you're putting out there, then you got to go all in and, you know, make the best out of it and not be cheap with yourself. So that's what I'm doing today. So y'all come along with me behind the scenes. But first, coffee, of course. I cannot not have this before I start my day. Make sure y'all get y'all a coffee before y'all start any important projects. It is freaking raining. The day of my photo shoot is raining. But I'm not gonna let that stop me. And yeah, let's just get started. Late as hell. First model late as hell. Look. Yeah, you do. You a Virgo, you get grumpy. She try to whisper. So finished 2 of my models out of 3 hair. And how about one of the models' tire just blew? Her tire blew. So not her fault, not my fault. This just goes to show you all of the challenges.
Go past this light, then at the next one, keep left.
This just goes to show you all of the challenges.
Remember, this is a lifelong process
that's going on right now.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to keep left onto Church Street North.
Oh my, like I was saying, this just goes to show you how things work when you're trying to do something positive and get stuff done. But no worries, because her boyfriend is coming to fix the tire and she'll be at the 2nd location. So yeah. Yeah, I like that. With your nervous ass. Never getting up, never getting up. Never getting up, never getting up. Way too many fall in your direction. Choices like testing, just selective. Yeah, it's too slow and I'm trying to grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone when you don't call back. Calm down. I'm excited. I'm trying to vlog on my YouTube. Relax. Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. So that's a wrap. The photo shoot is finished, and I can't wait for y'all to see everything that we did. My family and I are in this Airbnb, and we're gonna stay here because I paid $200 and we're gonna stay here, period.
Say hi. Hi y'all. Look up there. There's a lot of cars out here.